today is Saturday. I'm going to work. So I put my uniform. So today is Saturday, April 5. Happy birthday to Katrina. She's a student at education at University of Catanduanes State College. Happy birthday! Sana'y makatapos ka ng college, you achieve all your goals, and to be successful in the future. Happy birthday! And what's up dyan sa Butinagan? Kumusta at ingat lang kayo. Okay. Bye.